ke mtolo osi ko tolo mai hea honei. Hane
Oi, toi mtolo riku mai ea.
No, it's about being ready next time. Let's go.
Ululauta e Pinione hakupu atua.
Aloha to Macau, Mafala. I'm here at Western Springs for the Halonga practice, Wailofi, all the way out in Western Springs. A bit late. Haumule, e tupe, whoa. I'm here. So hopefully they've started, so I've bypassed all the prayer and all that, just get straight into it. Man, I think this is the last one at Western Springs. Want to see who showed up. See if all the South Aucklanders came, but if not, man, traffic was bad. So we'll see how it goes. This is where it's at. Let's see the before and after.
Wailofi ko taone ha Niue ai Matron. Wailofi is the town, the capital of Niue, and we have to be proud. Yeah, and also congratulations to all the villagers for being proud. Te pia ke matalahi e manga ni mai ai to manga ne toi. Wailahi ai ai onona vai, pali ko vai onona. Tahe furoa. Tu ke taha mala ke whakaako tau tama ke tau si tau fufu. This is another way of teaching our young generation to have fufu.
Paragati ke Duros, waka ko Panisi Rex. Ke whine ha mek do tolu ke lima uloa e whekau ha e Halonga Halofi a nei. Mo te ke do fufu, o lima, wari do tapuru, e whukini ke matuwhi whine ne tui. Mo e here do pakare, tō tahe mawhala. Yeah, it's just great when everyone comes together. Like they say, it takes a village, not to raise a child in this case, but to get a team together. So yeah, just awesome buzz, and it's good to feel that not only that family atmosphere, but that village atmosphere. Yeah, it's just a good feeling. Gives you the warm fuzzies.
Aloha to everybody. One more week till Hologa. One of the best decisions I've ever made. Never felt nothing but welcome, safe. And just really enjoying this journey, especially because Kautose is also joining me, my son. So yeah, look forward to next week. Block B, performance number 2. Pakepa will warm up the stage. Then Alofi will come on and just absolutely take it away. So look forward to it. Yeah, go.
Whakalawhala atu ki matonu osi, o ingoa aku ko hita muiki, whiawhialahi ke Halonga Niue. The best thing about the Halonga Niue is to learn my language.
Aloha to John, thank you for having us on your blog. To be part of Halonga season 2, yeah, it's so much feeling. I brought my kids, all 5 of my kids this year. Just to feel a sense of belonging and a connection to our homeland. Growing up at home, you feel that it's ingrained in you. So I want to say for my kids, go TSM for these sort of events, bringing our people together. Yeah, we love it. We hope that at the end of the festival, the Halonga festival, that it just draws more attention and draws more of our people together. Yeah, representing Alofi Kimoa.
Uncle Simple. Aloha to Macau. We're here at the Halonga Trust Stadium. We've got the red shirts. We just came off the flag bearer. There's the Alofi Alofi crew. Here's the Alofi leaders. Uma, you got Uma, Liam. Yeah, we're here off Alofi.
The dance is looking pretty good.
Yeah, it's good. Like,
Can't wait to watch your live. Yeah, for good.
hey, good. With the Goofy show, can't wait. We just said everyone's coming, Robbie, shop. Yeah, looking good. That's my boy Hertz. That's all. But it's one of this life. Winner.
This is Sister Sandy. Yeah, you got Sister.
Greetings everyone. We're here at the Trust Stadium at Henderson. There's a sea of Niue people here at the event. All the villages are represented. It's going to be a beautiful day. I'm here to support Halonga, Alofi, because you know Alofi is the capital of Niue, and that's where I come from. I am a child of Alofi from the town.
Palapalahi atu ke matolu osi ko talo mai hea honei. Hane matolu e tau Halonga halofi ko amana ki ke whakawhiawhia atu ke matolu osi e Halonga Niue ua awhe ua ono.
Whai kupu! Whakaoe!
E longe kupu whiawhia ho whiawhia tō tūlu ke kau whakataha au nei mo e mga whā mo e maanga tō tūlu.
Palapalahi atu, everyone. Have a good time at the Halonga.
We're here at Halonga Niue 2026, second year running, my first time, and I'm really privileged and honoured to be doing it with Alofi, my far side, and also to do it with my two oldest kids. Hopefully in 2028, my third eldest will be maybe about 4 at the time, so I'm hoping that we'll be able to do it with an extra kid. Looking forward to everything, looking forward to seeing all the villagers perform, and most of all looking forward to eating. Yeah, so that's us at Halonga Niue 2026, Trust Stadium, Auckland City. Let's go, babe.
I got no voice though. Like I'm losing my voice.
Good luck, we'll do well. Let's slay this. Alofi.
Whakawhatu, we're just walking towards the parade. Walking. Hey, money. Backstage, waiting to go in. What's up, babes?
We are currently here at the Halonga Niue 2026, and the vibe now is very overwhelming.
overwhelming because it's
really packed.
Yes, very packed, but it's also we're so proud of our village as well as our motu Niue. Seeing all the different colours and their the different mangas and their colours. Yeah, we just did the opening in that, so now they're just starting off the first block. So if there's still tickets available, I don't know if there is, but yeah, but it's gonna be a great day full of energy and Niue, Kimua Niue. Oh yes, and we are supporting Hakupu. We'll be in Hakupu and Utalau, Ululauta and Pinione Hakupu Atua.
Here's the leader, the Taki-Taki.
So yeah, what are we doing? We're here giving out surveys for on behalf of Pacifica Proud. They just want more information on how to engage with Niue people and yeah, more knowledge around that. And so what better place to do it than our very own Niue Halonga. So yeah, we're just getting people to come sign and then they get free vouchers and they get to choose. So yeah, yeah, so that's what we're doing here.
What's the Carver's name?
Sully Paia. His son is Billy Paia, sprinter.
Man, some nice crafts here, right?
Sharks, yeah.
It's good to see stuff not made in pine. I don't know what timber this is. Some sort of maybe that is pine. This is right like that.
Halonga 2026, guys. If you're not here, you're missing out. And just thank you for a wonderful day. May Halonga live on well beyond 2026.
Sila tabay mahap, haoy toy mutalau di kubaya. I watch all your episodes, my brother. I like it. Number one. Are you Marco?
Here we are, Auntie Petunia.
Hi, John.
Auntie Cousin Samar. Hey. Hey. Oh. Hey, all the way from? Hey, all the way from Northland. Alvato.
The journey has been amazing and educational, especially with Namakuru being such a young village. So we're able to get the Makulas along with us to tell us their stories. So it's been very, very cool to see that. It was so exciting to take the stage. But honestly, we just feel this rush of adrenaline when we come off because we know that we made Namakuru proud. And I hope I made my mom and dad proud. Representing Namakuru has been an honor, and so yeah, honestly, if you want to do it again, come join us. Thank you.
You need to wear my Lolo at the cinema to show the whole to 2028. Then you will find help in the name of the house, loving them. We always love you families. I'm really grateful for the today, the whole singing and the whole food, no one mucking around, but really happy.
Especially when it came down to, we've only just started 6 weeks prior to this competition because we were very busy. So it was an awesome, I told the boys, this is it, you've done the 2 hours for 6 weeks. Now you've got 20 minutes, 25 minutes to do it on stage. Oh, it was awesome. Yeah, good, lovely. Thank you. Go late.
I always love you, family. Eric, family, and Jenny, mom and dad.
Yeah. Thank you.
They're gonna do your performance and yeah.
Are you the one on YouTube?
Yeah. You want to say something?
Yeah. I love you is #1.
What's your name?
Sika.
Sika.
Yeah, shout out to Niue Halonga 2026. It's good to see everyone bringing Niue culture up. It's how it should be. Niue to the world, 683. You already know. Shout out to John.
I love you. We're going to line up over here. Front row, second row, third row, fourth row.
Boys, what's going on? Here's the band. Thanks up in the
Kalau kalah kita Niue. Kalau bayar kita hari. Kalau Ellen, we are from Tulapa. Oh, kalah kita Niue.
Just finished watching Hakuku. Still got block C to go. So, yep.
They win.
Yup.
Hey, Halonga yeah, representing Tulapa here with Motu. Great day. Also to come and take the stage of Nana, Mum, and my kids. So it's also good seeing the cousins ripping the red. So who knows about being red next time. Let's go.
There's our cousin Busy. So Buzz. The family.
To see the family, trying to go to the shows, man, think about it, it's like those kind of things, but yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, pretty good.
Thank you, Freestyle Nation, Halonga 2026, man. Really good performances, good venue, good food stores, good company. Yeah, that was awesome. Whakaoi lahi.